Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a gel polish design on my left hand. We're going to be using all Born Pretty products today. So this is the Born Pretty Milky White gel. I'm going to apply a coat of that to all 5 nails. I'll just show you me doing the one coat because I did need to do 3 coats in this, guys, because I was applying it over clear tips that I've applied with nail glue. Can you see the little patches where only some of the tip is stuck to my nail? The nail glue that I'm using dries so fast. By the time I stick the tip down, it's only sticking in certain places, and that's where you can see them patches. So yeah, I did need to do 3 coats of this just to try and cover them patches up. You can still see them a little bit though, to be fair. But like I say, I'll just show you me doing the 1 coat on camera, and then I'll do the other 2 off camera just to save time. Yeah, so I'm just going to let you get on and watch this bit, and I shall pop back in a minute. Eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. So that's what they look like after 3 coats. Now, after I finished recording, I did pop those tips off and redid a better job at gluing them back down. If you stay tuned right to the end of the video, I have left a picture of the finished set, and you'll see they looked so much better. So I've removed the tacky layer from that gel polish because I'm going to be, as you can see, applying striping tape. The striping tape does not want to stick to a tacky layer very well at all. Also, I'm going to be going in with a matte top coat as well, so I don't want to mess my matte top coat up, leaving the tacky layer on. So we're going to be using the Born Pretty matte top coat, and we're going to seal all that gel polish in and seal that striping tape in as well. Also, I'm going to be doing some nail art on a couple of these nails as well. I always like to do nail art on top of a matte surface. I just find you get a much smoother application. Now, you wait and see what gel paint I'm going to be using to do this nail art. Oh my days, it looks so smart, especially up against the matte surface as well. It looks so cool. You've probably noticed as well that the 2 nails with the striping tape on, I'm going to be doing them 2 nails last, because sometimes you'll find the top coat likes to go underneath that striping tape. So I like to leave them 2 nails until last. It just gives them less time for that top coat to get underneath that striping tape. So can we just So now that's all applied, I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Oh, look at those, all matted out. I love them. So this is going to be the painting gel what we're using today. It's the metal painting gel. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And we're going to be painting some flowers. So I'm going to paint 2 petals on the right hand side of that striping tape, and then I'm going to paint 1 petal on the left hand side. Can you see how nice that painting gel is to use? It glides on effortlessly. It's so smooth. Oh, I really enjoyed using it. It's so shiny as well. It's so much better than the original one that they brought out. It's a really nice product. I'm definitely going to have to think of a few more designs I can use it for. Right, I'm going to speed this bit up, and I shall let you get on and watch me doing this flower, and then I shall pop back in when we come to do the next nail. So on this thumbnail, again, I'm going to do another flower, but I'm just going to do half a flower coming off the side of that thumbnail. Guys, this set is such a plain simple set, but really, really effective, especially with the matte background and the shiny metal painting gel on top of it. I just think they look really, really smart and super beginner friendly as well. I'm not usually into plain nails, but I really, really like these. I'm happy with that. I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Now I'm just going to do a couple of little flicky flicks on this middle nail, and then again I shall cure that in the lamp. So that's the nail art all done, and now I'm going to be sugaring some glitter into that pinky nail. So I've pulled out this glitter here. I really like this. I was hoping it wasn't going to have that yellow hint to it once it got on the nail, which it didn't. I was really pleased about. So I'm using the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. I'm going to apply a nice generous layer of that to this pinky nail. Then I'm not going to cure that because that's what I'm going to be sprinkling my glitter into. Oh, this glitter, guys, it is beautiful. It's got that gorgeous UV purple shift to it when the light hits it. It is stunning. So I'm going to give that a cure in the lamp for a minute. I've pulled out my gem glue. I'm just going to do a dot in the middle of that flower and a dot in the middle of that flower. And I'm just going to stick a couple of clear crystals in the middle of those flowers. Pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. There we are, guys. That is all finished. What do you think? My camera's really not wanting to focus on these because they are so shiny, as you can see. I'm a little bit gutted that you can see the glue through that milky white. Before I take my pictures, I might re-glue this one and just make sure that you can't see that glue underneath it. But other than that, I really like them. I love this Born Pretty metal painting gel. It's super shiny. It's a lot better than the original one that they had. So much better. I've got a couple of these actually in different brands as well. And they're nothing like this. This is super, super glossy. I really like it. Still not sure whether I should have encapsulated that glitter or not, or left it raw. That's really beautiful, isn't it? Really, really pretty. Beautiful. So that is the end of the video, guys. Everything that I've used today, I shall leave listed in my description box below. I have got a 10% off Born Pretty discount code, which is GG10. I shall pin that in the comments along with the link to the website. So make sure you take full advantage of that. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.